Let's do the practical of D flip-flop. It has three inputs, R, S and D. This is the clock input for D flip-flop and it is connected to the pulsar circuit here. Whenever a switch is pressed, it gives one pulse signal to D flip-flop. These are the three inputs which are connected to the switches, R input, S input, and the output is connected through LED driver so that we can observe output on the LED. Set and reset inputs are used to set and reset the output. So pressing reset gives output low, pressing set gives high output. You can observe here. Right now it is high output, resetting is low output, setting means high output, and this is the D input. So we'll give D input, but this input will reflect only when we give pulse signal or clock signal, right? So high D clock signal makes output high, low D clock signal makes output low.